my Tuesday art talk. Each Tuesday I like to talk about different topics. Today I'm going to talk about using linen to paint on. So linen is really interesting. Once you stretch your canvas, you can apply gesso over it to get a smooth texture. But what I do is use house paint because I want that rough texture on my canvas, and I think it really looks really rustic. And for the areas that I'm going to make more three-dimensional, when I add oil paint on it, so I actually paint the acrylic here. Then after the acrylic dries, I put a medium on it, a transparent medium. Let that dry, acrylic transparent medium, of course. And then I will be able to paint with oil. And when I do that, I could get more of a three-dimensional look and more vibrant colors. So this one's about halfway, not even halfway. I just started it a couple weeks ago. So I will let you see it when it's done. But just a little hint, if you don't like using canvas, you could use linen to get a really interesting texture on your canvas board. So I will see you next week. If you have any questions or any topics you want me to explore, please message me. You can find me at gailamcfarland.com, or you could go to my YouTube video channel at Gail A. McFarland Artist. So until next Tuesday, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.